Here at Centennial Gun Club, we've invested in a lot of equipment and technology to make your experience here safer as well as more enjoyable. We've had a lot of specific requests about how our ventilation system works, and I'm on the roof today in front of a large piece of it. Our system was provided by Carey's Range Ventilation, who are a leader in their industry and have installed these systems all over the world. The system that we have is a 100% purge system, which means every bit of air that goes through the system is brought in from outside. It's not recycled through the range at all, which helps us make sure we ventilate it properly and helps us keep you safe while you're standing on the firing line. So we're going to take you inside, take you through all the pieces of the system and show you how it works. Above me you can see the diffuser, and this is probably the most apparent function of the ventilation system here. It's shut down right now so that it's not too loud. You can't hear it, but you might be able to hear it in other parts of our video. Of course, you'll definitely be able to hear the ventilation going when you come here and shoot on the range. This diffuser diffuses the air so that we don't just get directed ducts of air moving, but we really get that laminar flow and have everything moving evenly downrange. Okay, so now, as you can hear, we have the vent on. It's pretty loud, it's moving a lot of air. And I'm standing back in one of the booths. I have a fog machine in the booth behind me, so we're going to be able to see just how much air this is really moving and how it's moving at all at an even rate. Now, as you can see, it's all continuing downrange, and nothing's coming back into my booth. So if I'm standing here, the shooter next to me isn't going to bother me with their smoke. Okay, so now we've set the fog machine up behind the firing line, and we're going to blow smoke across the range, so perpendicular to where the direction of wind is going. And we're going to see just how fast it starts to move this downrange, or see how far the smoke can get towards me. I'm about 1.5 shooting booths away, and it's actually not even touching me. This airflow is moving it all downrange already. The piece of equipment behind me is the exhaust side of the system. Now this large piece of equipment does two very important things. It keeps the air moving throughout the range, as well as it filters all the air before it leaves the system to minimize our environmental impact. And it moves about 75 cubic feet per minute of air, which changes over the range, all that air in the bay there, about every 85 seconds. And it maintains about a 10% differential of negative pressure inside the range itself, so that nothing leaks out the doors. It all comes through this system behind me. Now, that's all very important, as I said, to minimize that environmental impact, because this system filters 99.97% of particles 0.3 microns or larger. So all the various, the lead, all the other chemicals that's in the air that we're keeping away from you on the booths is going through this system behind me and not getting exhausted into the air of Colorado.
Equip with the best gear, prepare with the experts, and practice at the only club of its kind, Centennial Gun Club. 303-789-CLUB.